Wagwan, big up to everybody in the United States and all foreign countries. Irie, this muffler right here you're looking at, I bought this in 2017. You know this is wrapped with some muffler wrap. That'll help you from not burning your leg. I got two of them now. One, two, the next one in black. And finally, from one of my speed boys, Marcus, free racing muffler. Check it, check it. Yeah, man. Yeah, my computer down right now, but I already test all these bikes out already. All 49 window pistons. MZ pipe. MZ pipe. The BT100. I already test this bike too. No window piston. This bike flying. My computer down, so I can't load no videos to for people to watch these bikes test. But soon I get my computer fixed, man. Yeah, man. So I already test this one, Red Diamond, the BT100. Yeah, man. Video coming soon. Soon my computer start working again, and I could download videos. So right now I using my phone, as you were.